Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. Today, we have a very useful video. If you are experiencing frustrating NVIDIA color banding issues on your Windows 11 monitor, where smooth color gradients look like harsh, blocky stripes, it can completely ruin your image quality. I will show you exactly how to disable conflicting ICC profiles and tweak your system's calibration loader to fix this banding in no time. Let's get started. The first solution you should always try is completely disabling all custom color profiles that might be conflicting with your graphics card. Press the Windows button on your keyboard, type in Color Management, and hit Enter to open the settings window. Make sure you are on the Devices tab at the top and carefully tick the box that says Use My Settings for this device. Once that is selected, look at the list below it. Select any custom color profiles currently associated with your monitor and click the Remove button. Click Continue for the changes to take effect, and then restart your computer to see if the banding has disappeared. If the problem persists, another incredibly useful solution is to disable the Windows Calibration Loader task so it doesn't override your NVIDIA settings. Press your Windows button again, type in Task Scheduler, and hit Enter to open the app. On the left-hand menu, expand the Task Scheduler library folder, select Microsoft, and then double-click on the Windows folder. Scroll all the way down this long list of folders until you find the one named WindowsColorSystem. Click on it to open it up. In the middle pane, locate the task named Calibration Loader. Right-click on that entry and select Properties. Go to the Settings tab at the top and make sure to uncheck the box that says Allow Task to be run on demand and click OK to save the changes. Finally, right-click on the Calibration Loader task one more time and select Disable. Simply restart your computer one last time to lock in these new settings, and your colors should be perfectly smooth again. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.